Hey guys, I want to give you a really quick tip on the Gynura Procumbens for those of you who are growing this vegetable, also known as Longevity Spinach. This is one of my favorite leafy greens because it is so versatile the way I can use this, and it has a really mild flavor, so good for your blood sugar. So for those of you who are growing this, you probably have seen them flower, but the seeds seems to be pretty sterile. I try to grow out of the seeds, but nothing sprouted from them, so you actually have to take cuttings of these if you want to grow them. So what I want to do is, I'm seeing these flower, I'm just going to snip these off. They generally start flowering when the plant wants to grow, usually in the spring. Sometimes you see them in the summer too. It's just the flowers are quite pretty if I want to save some just to, because they're attractive. But otherwise, actually, when the flowers grow, the plants, if you want to harvest the leaves, if you want to grow them for the leaves, the flowers are actually taking the energy away from the plants. The leaves will start growing quite small. So I'm just going to be snipping off these flowers. Spring is almost here, so just hang in there, you guys. And if you're looking for some plants to add to your garden collection, such as this one, the Gynura Procumbens, or other plants, I'd love for you to check out wandyland.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you. Love your support, and I'd love for you to check out the plants that I'm growing. You can also follow me on Facebook or Instagram if you want to see more current updates of things growing in the garden. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find it helpful so that you can grow a fuller, more abundance of this vegetable for you and your family to enjoy. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, and like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos to come, and I shall see you guys right back here in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.